Hello, Vincent here with New Treasury. We observe like healthcare moves a lot of money, but the settlement and claims takes very long time to be able to move that money. So so we built this. This is an insurance dashboard. We can see the amount of money that they have been able to have, the patients that they have, and also we have an AI agent to assist in doing the settlement. So we have claims here, and then we have clients here. These are just the patient. We have a treasury field, and we have something to do with compliance here. So here I'm going to show you how we do a claim. So this is a hospital side of things. So I'm just going to try with Robert Chen or maybe David. So we're going to change it, and then we're going to change that. So David Thompson, and then this is the element that they have, and then they have these for the diagnosis, and then we have a description. So they have a lower back pain, so just paste that, and then that one, and then that one. So there we have a date and the amount that we are supposed to insure for them and do the settlement for. So we can just have a date there in Christmas. So here we have a pending claim. So when we come here to our agent, so let's come here, show us pending claims. So the agent is going to fetch all the pending claims. We have this one. This is the most recent one. So we can just do can just tell it to verify this. Okay, verify. So what's going to do is just it's going to there are a swarm of agents that are going to check and verify everything. So in the meantime, I'll be showing you what's going on behind the scenes. So here we have a compliance. So the compliance just tells what the platform can be able to and what cannot do. We have the maximum amount of money that you can do to able to solve this. Then we have block things that the AI agent cannot approve, and then we have some things that the AI will require a human to approve, and also we have just the things that AI agent we can just request for it to approve and just can just do it autonomously without manual intervention. And then we have the frequency of limits, and then the monthly spend. Yeah, so we can go back here. We can see our claim has been verified. That has taken like a very short period of time, and then we can see the agents and what their confidence was. We can see the fraud detection was 92% confidence, and then the clinical, and this one required a manual review. But since the other agent have been able to approve without any issue, we can proceed and settle this claim. So we can just say settle this claim. So with this, the AI agent can just, as you can see, it's asking us what currency we want to settle. We can just go with just in euro, like just like that. Then it's going to settle. In the meantime, I'm going to show you. So here, as you can see, the insurance can be able to view like the claim has been approved. So it's about waiting settlement. So you can just see here. So you can see this is the wallet address and the balance that it has. So let's see. So if you go back here, has been successfully settled, and this is a signature. So we can just come here, and then we can paste it here. Then you can see, yeah. So everything has just been settled and all good. So when we go back here to the dashboard, the balance has increased by 200 because this is our most recent claim. So this is the future we see, whereby we have AI agents doing the settlement and we reduce the waiting time to a very short period of time. Yeah, so we can go back here. We can see an audit log of every. Yeah, this is the audit log for everything that we did. So these are just the compliance thing that we started, and then the treasury. This is the treasury. We can do the rebalancing. We can even add more funds. Then we can even withdraw the funds to the currency that we want, and then we can have an agent that is monitoring everything. So auto balancing is just managed by an AI agent, so that it gives us more insight on what we should do, whether to manage our liquidity. Yes, that's it from Treasury. Thank you for watching.